Hi students, welcome back to our second video. I'm going to show you now how to find out what you are supposed to do for the week in our reading and writing class. So once you are on our course homepage, you're going to click where it says week 1. Okay, and I have a welcome message here. There's 2 ways you can get to the assignments. You can go here in this table of contents, or you can go here and click next. Okay, so this says introduce yourself. So you're going to click where it says launch. That means open. Okay, this is like a discussion. Okay, almost like Facebook. So you're going to read this first. So introduce yourself to me and your classmates. As an example, I will introduce myself. My name is Alita Utaatu. I'm a teacher at Shemeketa. I enjoy hiking, soccer, and basketball. I also like reading. I have 4 girls and 1 boy. I have 2 poodles. My husband is a carpet cleaner. Okay, so, and I know a lot of you have had me before, and that's great, and I'm excited to get to know you if you have not had me. So I want to know all about you, so you're going to click here, create thread, okay? Then you are going to type something to me about you. So in this bar, you're going to write your name. So if your name is Maria Garcia, for example, okay? Then you write all about you. My name is Maria Garcia. I work at a clinic. I have 2 children. I like bananas. I don't know. Whatever you want to tell me, okay? And then you can even, if you want, you can even add a picture of yourself or your family if you hit browse my computer, okay? And then, you can't really see it, but it says save, draft, or can I move my face? Okay, good. So you're going to click where it says submit, right there. And I'm going to try that. I'm going to submit that. Okay, so all of the class will be able to read what you wrote, but you cannot read someone else's post until you post, okay? So once you post, then you can read other people's messages. So then you can click and you can write a response to someone else if you want to, where it says replies, okay? So you could click here. And then you can click reply. So I would say, hello, Maria. Oops. Welcome to B1, reading and writing. Okay, so you can introduce yourself, talk more to your classmates, then you push submit. Okay? So that is all there is to it. I'm going to cancel all this. Let's see. Let me pause this. If you ever get lost on the course page, you just go to the top and click on the class again, and it will take you back to the home page. Okay? So let's go back into week 1 because I want you to see what you need to do. Okay, so we did introduce yourself. I'm going to skip the reading assignment and go to homework. So your homework for the first week, it's due April 13th. So you have 1 week to finish it. Moving my face over here. So what you're going to do is read, and this is why it's important to have this book here. Reading and Writing, Spring 1. You're going to read Linda's story and complete exercises 1 to 3. So the way that you can answer, and here is how you find it. If you were not able to buy the book or get it from the library, you can click here. It will open up a PDF for you to read, I believe. And it opens it in another window for you. Come on. And again, it's much easier if you purchase the book so that you don't have to go back and forth and back and forth. So here it is. So here's Linda's story. It's 1 page. And then you're going to do exercise 2, exercise 3, and for some reason I attached exercise 1 last, and then exercise 1. Okay? If you aren't sure how to do the exercises, you can send me an email. So the way that you're going to submit your work is, let's see, how are you going to do it? Okay, so right here, it says write submission. So you can type your answers. Another thing you can do is take a picture or scan your homework if you wrote it in your notebook, and then you hit browse my computer. Oops. Okay. Well, it won't let me do it on this, but if you hit browse my computer, then you should be able to attach your homework. If you can't, oh, okay, now it's working. So mine, let's say it would be, come on, it would be under my documents. For example, you would hit your thing and push open. Okay, another thing you could do is take a picture and email it to me. I will accept that as well. So that is it for this. And then you always hit submit, by the way. Don't forget to hit submit. Well, that's it for this video. If you have questions, again, please email me.